Hello Light Travelers, today we're taking a look at Olivers Apparel Convoy Tee, which is the one I'm wearing right now, and it's a 100% merino wool t-shirt, which is quickly becoming one of my favorite t-shirts. Olivers Apparel Convoy Tee is a 100% merino wool t-shirt made with a 165 GSM merino wool, which means it is great as a base layer in winter and not too hot to wear in the summer as well. It's also an 18.5 micron merino, which means that it's super soft and feels great in the hand and against your skin. Olivers also use a unique reverse raglan sleeve shoulder construction, which makes the shirt very comfortable and unrestrictive. It also just looks pretty good in my opinion. In terms of fit, Olivers are probably the first company whose shirts I've tried that actually fit me in the size small. The Convoy Tee is listed as a slim fit, although they do make a Convoy Tee 2, which is a relaxed fit, and so the small fits me more like an extra small in other brands. But that works great for me because it's the best fitting t-shirt that I've ever worn. Another great thing about the Olivers t-shirts are that they come in a wide variety of nice color shades, from the cobalt, which I'm wearing right here, to the hard to find, at least in merino wool, natural white. Olivers also offers a great looking long and short sleeved Henley and versions of the t-shirt with a pocket. In terms of performance, the t-shirt works just as well as any other merino wool t-shirt that I've tried, and it feels like it will be very durable. It is slightly thinner than the merino used in the Woolen Prints 100% merino wool t-shirts, but those ones are 205 GSM merino, whereas this one is 185. But they do perform just as well and come in more colors. Overall, I don't really have anything bad to say about this t-shirt, and I'm definitely going to buy a few more colors because I love the fit, colors, and the unique shoulder design. For 68 US dollars or 91 Australian dollars, you really can't go wrong with this t-shirt, and I highly recommend checking it out. So that's it, thanks very much for watching, and a quick shout out to the guys at Olivers Apparel. Thank you very much for sending me out the shirt. And do let me know in the comments, what is your favorite merino wool brand, or which merino wool products have you tried and liked? Also be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.